So this is the main entrance of Riviera Dairy Investments. I record all the visitors that come to visit RDI. So he's always here every day. Then during the night, you have the night Afandis. Here, this is the food bus. As you are coming to the farm, like this, then you disinfect all the bacteria and germs, moves away, then you enter. Then this is the fire brush for cars, the motorcycles and the bicycles. We also have the capsule breed. These are our biosecurities. We also have our capsule breed. This protects cow from not to come from this end to drink this contaminated water. So whenever the cow reaches here, it can't cross. As you see this side, it is the residence of our executive directors and the directors. Then down there is boys staff quarters and other boys quarters. It is located there in the paddock. So then, as you see here, it is a training facility. We train farmers in the dairy farming as a business. In a month we train twice, supported by SNV, the Dutch company. This is a feeding para. This was sponsored by Netherlands, Dutch company, and it was commissioned by CEO of the Netherlands Development Organization, SNV, Van Klinken. As you see, these are Jersey cows. They are taking the feed. They are feeding right now. They are in the feeding para, feeding. The milking has already gone. So now here, as you see, these are the milking herd. They are taking feeds. They are feeding now. The milk is done already. So the milk is there, already recorded, waiting to be taken to the milking collecting center. So as you see here, this is milk. We have already finished milking. Now the milk is here, waiting to be taken to the milking collecting center. But as I talk, we have 43 cows, the milking cows. We get 600 liters per day. The highest milker to give us 40 liters per day. So the average milk production of each cow, the average is at 22 liters per day. So in every milking, we first wash the udder, we clean the teats. After cleaning the teats, then we start milking. Immediately after milking each cow, we bring the milk here at the weighing scale. We weigh the milk of each cow, of individual cow. Then after weighing, we record. The recording man is here. We record. After recording, we filter the milk into the can. Then we distribute our milk accordingly. For instance, the one that is taken by cows, the one for consumption, and the one for transportation. We clean our utensils, as you see, with the detergents. We clean our utensils. Then after cleaning, we put them on the rack. Then we dry them. Then we prepare for the next session of milking. This board helps us in our daily activities. As you see, the spraying. As you see, these are the rotation of spraying. The responsible people for spraying. And it's also helps us to know the milking, how we clean our utensils. You see the people that are responsible for cleaning the utensils and the transfers of our cows. We have 3 sites. We have the Biembogo site. There we have the dryers. We have Rubingo where we keep the young stock. Then here the milking herd. These are feed rods. They are now feeding the silage. We put the silage, we put the spent grain, we also put some legumes to boost the proteins and calcium and other nutrients. So they come, they spend only 3 hours here during the morning and 3 hours during the evening for supplementary feeding. As you see, we have 3 breeds. We have the Jersey breed, we have the Ayrshire and the Friesian. This one is the Friesian, as you see. And you have the Ayrshire there and the Jerseys. We also have the Jerseys. So far, we are promoting 3 breeds because we are the breeders of dairy cattle. We are promoting 3 breeds, which is Friesian, Jersey and Ayrshire. As I talk now, Friesian to give us 40 liters per day. Then the Ayrshire to give us 38 liters per day. Then the Jersey give us 25 liters per day. Okay. These are calf pens. In this calf pen, each calf spent 2 months inside. There is feed, which is hay, and there is water, and there is also mineral blocks, the mineralics. They are here. So they spent only two months. Then after 2 months, they go for grazing. As you see here, this one shares with this one. So this is a source of calcium, the source of iron, and it is a mineral block, the source of minerals. It's numbered, and it has the names. As you see here, this is Ngove, the paddock number 5 of RDI. For calves, they are here taking silage. They also take silage to boost their energy. And number 6, the grazing paddock for this young stock, the calves. So as you see, this is this is a grazing paddock number 1 and the grazing paddock number 2 for calves. They are here, as you see, they are taking grass. Feeding area for young stock for calves, they take their milk from this side. As you see, they're now taking milk. We do bucket feeding, so we don't do suckling, we do bucket feeding. This is our biogas system. It starts from here. This is a mixing chamber. We put 3 wheelbarrows of cow dung. We also mixed it with water. Then after mixing, they go to the digester. Here down there is a digester. It digests gas to this side. Then it pushes biocellular to the biocellular unit. As you see, that is a biocellular unit. As you see, this is a biocellular unit. You can see the biocellular unit. This is a biocellular. It is already manure. After feeding, they come out from here. This is the outlet of the biocellular. Then these are biocellular tankers. So this is already manure. We use this manure in gardens, our demonstration gardens, and in our banana plantation. So we also sell this biocellular. 1 jerrycan is 5,000 shillings. So we do supplementary feeding. So we also use this spent grain. This is a brewed mud from Nairo breweries here at our plant, Roharu. So we supplement we mixed with the silage. This is the source of proteins, and you know it is the proteins that manufactures milk. So we use this to boost our cows produce more milk. A store where we keep our hay for dry season. So in dry season, we chop and we give it to our cows and our cows. Then here we dry our legumes. You see legumes, they have a lot of moisture. So we first wither them under this shade. So this is a legume pasture dryer. So this is a hay store. So we make this hay using our local materials. We use this box. We put some ropes down here. Then we put some grass. We squeeze them. Then after squeezing, we tie. Then you leave it. You pull the box. Then you remain with your hay as it is, like this. These are rat guards. They prevent the rodents, the rats and whatever not enter into our store. So these are, as you see, these are silage bunkers. We conserve our pastures through making silage. As you see, this one contains 54 tons of maize, and it was made on 20th December 2021. Here, it is silage. We are harvesting it from here. We started from that end. Now we are here. So as you see, this is already silage that we are feeding to our cows. You see, as you know, that legumes is the source of proteins and the minerals. So this is our garden for legumes. Chicago sativa alfalfa. It is mostly liked by cows. It also has proteins and some minerals. Coriander.